When you spin it, you remove most of the water out of the clothes. So it will be almost dry. So we're going to learn how to use the washing machine. This is a 5 kg washing machine, and when it's 5 kg, obviously it does not wash 5 kg of clothes at once, but the first tub here, which is actually bigger than the second, can wash like 3 kg of clothes, while the right hand side, which is the spinner, can spin 2 kg of clothes at a time. So the washing machine is rated as 5 kg. You can see on top of the washing machine, you see the buttons. This button is for wash. It has time in minutes, 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. So depending on how much clothes you put in or how much dirty they are, you set the timer. You can hear the timer now. You set the timer, 6 minutes. Then the middle knob, we have the drain. This is the drain. It is normal here. When it is normal, the water remains in the washing machine. Now when you turn on the drain, the water in the washing tub will flow out from the hose. Alright, so we have the hose here that releases the water from the washing tub and the spinner. When you spin the clothes, the water also comes out. When you spin it, the water comes out from the hose, the draining hose. Now when you want a soft wash, that is when you have delicate clothes that you don't want them to be destroyed or spoiled, then you turn to the left side. And this is the normal, the water remains, it will not go out, the water is closed inside the washing machine. And here we have the spinner. The spinner is also having a timer. We have 5 minutes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the spin timer. You see it there. Alright, when you turn it like this, it will spin for 2 minutes to remove the water from the clothes just washed. Now, depending on how thick the clothes are, how heavy they are, you can adjust the timing. 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes maximum to actually drain the water out of the washed clothes. That's how it functions. And here we have the inlet for water here and inlet for water here as well. Inlet for water here, when you put water here through the hose to the tub, the water gets into the washing tub here. And when you put water here, you use the water to rinse the clothes that you have put in from the washing tub. So you can use water here also from the tap directly. Open the tap and the water will be going there. Then the spinner will spin it and remove the soap or detergent that you have used from the clothes and spin it dry. So that is how the buttons and the top functions of the washing machine are arranged. So we want to learn how to use the washing machine properly today. We're going to use it to wash some clothes. We're going to use it to wash some clothes. Then we use the spinner also to dry it. So the first step is to put water in the washing tub. That's the first process. Let's see that. You can use the hose. You use the hose from the tap to the washing machine. Then water goes in there slowly like that. But to make it faster, you can pour water from a bucket. Next step is to add soap, preferably liquid soap, into the water or detergent. But there are some clothing that you do not want to wash with detergent, so you need to use liquid soap and add it to the water. So that's the next step to do. You mix it with the water before you add clothes and start the machine. Soap and clothes, then you start the machine. Right, the machine is now washing the clothes. You see it. So put more water. Don't allow it to be like this. Add more water so that the clothes is inside the water, the soap water. You have to make it work better. So enough water has been added. The washing machine is doing its job. So this is about 3 kg of clothing. So the machine will wash it on this side. Then after washing it well, you can transfer it to this side and rinse it with water, or you connect the hose through that end and rinse it with water there. Or you can rinse it from here and then transfer the clothes into the spinning tub, then spin it to remove the excess water out of the tub before drying it. Alright, the timer has stopped, the washing machine has stopped washing, so we want to now rinse the clothes and spin it. That's what we want to do now. So all you do is to transfer the wash clothes into the spinner, transfer everything the maximum that the spinner can take, then connect the hose to the spinner inlets, turn on water as you start the spinner to rinse it. Alternatively, you can actually rinse it from the washing tub here by draining away the dirty water, add fresh water without any soap or detergent, and let it wash for like 2 or 3 minutes before you transfer. Then you spin it to remove the excess water. And that is the method I'm going to use. I'm going to drain away the water, then I add more water, then wash it for 2 minutes or so. So now I'm going to drain away the water. The water is draining away now. You can see the dirty water draining away. Dirty water coming out. Afterwards, we add fresh water into the washing tub and then wash it for some more time. The washing machine has drained the water away so quickly. From the washing tub to the spinning tub, so that we can spin it. So like I said, the spinning tub cannot take up to 3 kg, so it can take maximum of like 2 kg. The maximum of about 2 kg, that's what it can take. As you are putting the clothes in the spinner, ensure that you are trying to balance them in the spinner. If it's not balanced, the spinner will begin to shake at high speed, begin to shake and damage it. So try to balance it up. So arranging them, try to balance it. Even if you will not squeeze it and put it there as wet, the spinner will remove all the water in very short time. Very short time. All the water will be removed. So try to like balance it. And now when it's full like this, use this cover to seal it up. So we can take 1 or 2 more. Make sure it's balanced. It must not be too much on one side and another side. That will be evenly distributed into the spinner. You seal it up with this plastic very well. See it? Use it to seal it very well. Seal up the clothes very well inside. So you seal it very well. You can see what I mean. You can see the top cover of the spinner. Seal it very well. Then cover it. Cover the total cover and turn on your spinner accordingly. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, depending on how much wet the clothes are, the spinner will remove all the waters from the clothing. So, when it's stopped, you remove the top plastic cover, remove clothes, almost dry. You can see them, almost dry, no water. No water, it's almost dry. Now, when you are washing with washing machine and you discover that some clothes have stains, what you do is to increase the timer of the washing tub so that you can wash it for longer in order to reduce the stain. That is the way to go about it. And then some difficult stain, you need to apply the bleach or washing solution to your detergent or soap water so that you can easily remove the stains. So by the time you transfer the clothing to the spinner, you can start washing again using the washing tub, another set of clothing. As the spinner is working, the washing tub can also be working alongside with it. With that, you can wash all your clothing items as quickly as possible. So that is it. By the way, you've been using your washing machine for so long and it's becoming dirty. Learn how to do that in one of my videos. You see the link in the description. How to clean your washing machine, your top loader washing machine. Now we have small clothing left out of the first one we washed. We can actually spin it by sealing it down with the cover, seal it, cover it, and turn on the spinner. Then the spinner will work for a little time. It will drain away all the water from the clothing. Now as that one is working, you can transfer another set of clothes into the washing tub and then you begin washing again. While the spinner is working, the washing tub can also be working. You can add detergent or soap to it and continue your washing. Thank you very much. Please do like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. See you next time when I post another video. Bye. Right.